Right, we are recording now. We just come off the M25, joined to A21 in a Renault Espace 2-liter Grand Espace. And this car came in with DPF problems. It was towed in with a RAC. It wasn't even driving, it wasn't even running in the first gear. The engine stopped. Now we done the work on this car and we are doing a motorway test. And I want to turn around and ask the driver's opinion. How is his car used to drive and how it is now. Make some comparison and see what he has to say.
Okay, I've had this car for about 2 years now, and I've literally just picked it up, come off the M25, and I'm driving a brand new vehicle. I don't think this vehicle has ever felt this good to drive. A little history: a couple of days ago, my girlfriend was driving it. The car copped out. She went online. I was at work. She went online and tried to find a mechanic that deals with these sorts of diesel filters. She found this gentleman now, sitting to my left. She said every review was on point. I'm a bit skeptical, so I was like, why just wait? Why just wait? And she said no. She's looked at every single review, and everybody's praising him. I've just literally picked up the vehicle, and like I said before, it's a brand new vehicle. I'm putting my foot on the accelerator, it wants more. I'm scared of giving it more. This guy has literally spent nearly 45 minutes with me going into every detail about DPF filters. I feel a lot more educated about filters now. I know a lot about this vehicle. He's even giving me tips on my own driving skills. So honestly, if you've got any faults with your car, this is the guy to come to.
Okay, so your car is driving lovely and you are happy.
I'm more than happy. Like I said before,
money well spent.
Well spent. And like I said, it wasn't only the vehicle that I've got back, it's the knowledge that I've gained as well about DPF filters. So thank you.
Okay, I'd like to thank this driver. We don't use names, but he's very happy. As you can see, I'm happy. I have to be happy myself before I give the car to the customers. Now job is done, another satisfied customer, another happy customer, and hoping to see you on another driving experience with another customer. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. We are supremedpfcleaning.com and our telephone number is 07533 636 194. You can find us on Google search or Facebook search. Thanks for watching.